Hello everyone, welcome to the You Try It channel. This is Amy Tong. Today, I have this delicious and adorable recipe to share with you. These dangles are made with glutinous rice flour. Therefore, the texture is similar to mochis. Follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to make these adorable pusheen dangles. To prepare the mini donut Pusheen is holding, we will need a few donut-shaped cereals. For the donut glaze, we will need 2 tablespoons of white chocolate chips, along with 1 piece of red-colored candy melts. Melt this mixture in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Stir well until the mixture is well incorporated. If your chocolate chips are not completely melted, you can heat it up in the microwave for another 10 seconds. Dip one side of the cereal into the melted chocolate. Add a few sprinkles on top. Set them aside until the chocolate is set. To prepare the dangles, we will need 6 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour, along with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of black sesame powder. Give the mixture a quick whisk until everything is well combined. Next, add in 2 ounces of silken tofu. Knead the mixture until it forms into a dough ball. Your dough should be soft but not sticky to your hands. If it gets too sticky, add a little bit more flour, or add some tofu if it is too dry. Prepare 12 pieces of small parchment papers. Take about 1 to 2 teaspoons of the dough and roll it into a ball. Gently pinch one side of the dough and shape it into a teardrop. Take 2 tiny pieces of dough and form them into triangles for Pusheen's ears. Attach the triangles onto the pointy side of the teardrop. Gently press the bottom of the triangle to smooth out the seam lines. Roll a small piece of dough into a log. That would be Pusheen's little tail. Roll another 2 pieces of dough into smaller logs. Attach them to the front of the body as Pusheen's arms. Next, take an edible marker and draw out Pusheen's facial features. Draw 3 lines in between her ears. These edible markers are quite easy to use. I will list the product link below this video for your reference. Next, draw out Pusheen's eyes, nose, and whiskers. Pusheen also has 2 distinctive marks on the left side of her back, as well as a few lines on her tail. Repeat the process until you use up all the doughs. With this recipe, you should be able to get 12 Pusheens. Next, bring a small pot of water to a boil and lower it to a simmer. Carefully place your Pusheens in the simmering water along with the parchment paper. Not only the parchment paper will keep Pusheen from sticking onto the plates, it also keeps it intact while cooking. After a minute or so, you can take out the parchment paper. Make sure to gently move your dangles around so they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. When they float to the top, it means they are all cooked through. Transfer them to a bowl of cold water so they don't stick to each other. Place a piece of the prepared cereal donuts on top and your Pusheen dangles are all done. They are definitely one of the most kawaii desserts I have made. These Pusheen dangles are delicious as is with a hint of black sesame flavor. Or you can use them as an edible dessert topper. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and will give this recipe a try real soon. Before you go, please remember to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. That way you'll be the first to know when I have a new recipe coming up. And remember, eat, drink, and be happy. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all next week.